morning. It's Sunday. I want to say the 21st of May. It's 10ish I think. It is a beautiful day today. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go to the beach by myself. I'm going to go and see if I can see some baby seals. And I thought I would take you guys along with me. I'm all ready. I've got my people top on and then my khaki coloured joggers, Vans, obviously. I've got a towel so I can go in the sea and have a little paddle. I'm just going to make something little for lunch because I'm skint. And food at the beach is always expensive. So yeah, let's go on a little adventure. I just got to Horsey. I've never been here before. Just paid to park. I've got a couple of hours. I'm going to go and see if I can find a beach. It's so pretty. It's in the dunes. I don't even know if you can hear this. I'm going to take my shoes off because I found a little hut. I'm going to go and see. Car park is over there somewhere. It stinks in here.